Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through 3 different ways to reinstall Network Manager in Ubuntu even if you don't have internet access. These methods are perfect for fixing network issues on offline systems. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So firstly, let me answer a question of why this even happened. Sometimes when you uninstall or misconfigure Network Manager, your internet connection completely drops, which means it's hard to download and reinstall it again. But don't worry, there are a few ways to fix it, even if you're offline. So let's start with the first option. Firstly, what you have to do is open your terminal, and in this method, use the Ubuntu ISO as the local package source. So let me show you what to do. So firstly, insert your USB Ubuntu or ISO file and run the simple command to mount it, as you can see right over here. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is replace this with the name of your USB. For example, this one, and then just simply hit enter. And then after that, paste the second command, which is this one right over here. This command tells Ubuntu to use the mounted ISO as a source for packages. Now paste the third command and then simply hit enter. Now your system should be able to install Network Manager from the ISO without needing the internet. Just simply install it. Now wait for a few seconds and it should be done. So that's it. Your Network Manager should be now successfully reinstalled even without internet access. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.